Hi guys, this is Daniel Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, right now I'm in Pune. I think everybody knows that I'm traveling all over India each and every day, every state and every district. So completed South India. Now I'm in North India, Pune. So guys, I think before video I mentioned once if you cross 13,000 kilometers, your chain will make so much sounds, tuk 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 sounds, and also it's because of chain pockets. So I thought to change complete change pockets only, guys. So in Pune I don't know anyone. So one of my friend, I think everybody know Download Download 250 group admin Sachem bro. He suggested me one of our friend Dipin bro. So Dipin bro is from Pune only. He will come in I think half an hour here. So he suggested me this garage, such a nice garage, and in Pune. Yeah. And I don't want to put local chain pockets to my Dominar 250, so I decided to put Bajaj original chain pockets. And one more thing, guys, it's a very difficult to find Dominar 250 original chain pockets. Trust me, he called almost each and everyone in Pune city. Each and everyone he called. So nobody, we didn't get anywhere. Finally we got only one piece. The reason Bajaj 250 came recently, it came, so people still they are not asking, it seems change pockets and all. In my case I'm traveling every day, so that's why maybe it's very important to me. But the thing is, it's very difficult to get the Dominar 250 change pockets, guys. So if we are not getting this, we thought to put KTM 250 change pockets. Both are same, but still he tried a lot. Finally we got a Dominar 250 change pockets. So watch complete video, guys. I'll share the details, everything. He came, I think. 1 second. Bro, say hi.
Hi Daniel. Nice to see you in Pune.
So he's the one, Divin bro. So because of him only I came to know this garage and all. He's such a nice and sweet guy. He's also making a video.
Out and distance.
So watch complete video, guys. So I'll give you complete details about the cost and where we got this change pockets, original change pockets. Everything I'll give you in this video information. So watch complete video.
And now we'll check.
I think we have to change bearings. Everything we have to change inside. Yeah, you can see here. This is the one change pockets, original change pockets from Bajaj showroom. Bajaj change pockets. You can see model number also here.
For all these.
And you can see bearing. You can see damper coupling.
Same. This partner is same everywhere. So this you require 6 pieces.
I don't know what they'll call this. Dipin bro will explain. He knows very well about bikes and all, guys. You can see he's changing everything. Rubbers also. Inside bearing also it's gone, so he's changing bearing, everything.
So hub rubbers new in place.
Again I'm telling you guys, don't put local change pockets. Use only Bajaj change pockets. You can see here, this is the one. It's a Bajaj one.
Old sprocket.
You can see old one also.
The new sprocket.
It's a very difficult to get, guys. Again, it's a very difficult. So if you want to change the change pockets, if I think before only you order from Bajaj showroom, then only, because suddenly if you want this you won't get. He tried almost 3 hours in Pune, everywhere in every dealer. Yeah, so finally we got only one piece. So if you want to change pockets, before only you order from showroom whatever, but original one.
Right now in the place and tight full time after बैठने के बाद.
So finally done. once if it is done from here, I have to go like Mumbai. So I don't want to take risk guys, because still I have to travel one more year in North India. 20 states, not even one day, 1 year, 365 days I have to travel. Every day I travel minimum 500 kilometers guys. So I don't want to take risk again. Why every day I have to go some mechanic shop and I have to make it tight chain, because always I'll get tuck 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 sounds, and it won't even give proper pickup. It's really like irritating guys. So that's why directly I thought to change these chain pockets. So finally these people, they are helping, like my number plate also. I think before video I mentioned, right, like number plate holder came out, Hyper Rider one. So this time I don't want to take risk, like extra those kind of stuff, and also directly I'll keep here only. So finally done with my change pockets and also I'll go for test ride. So I'll check how it is exactly now, before and after changing change pockets. He's really such a nice guy, Dipin bro, seriously. Wow, it's really damn smooth guys, really damn smooth. I'm not even getting any disturbance, and pickup, everything. It is like new bike, completely new bike. I really loved a lot. Thank God I changed before only, otherwise I can't even bear the sounds. It's like very smooth, and like pickup is damn good compared with before. Now it's really good. I feel like I'm riding new bike. It's very smooth guys, very smooth. Wow, thanks to Dipin bro and Satyam bro. Thank God, I really am very happy guys. It's really good. So I'll share you the price details exactly, because he will share like details and everything now in bill. So once if I get bill, I'll share you the details, how much I paid for like change pockets and like bearing, rubber, everything I'll share you guys. I think I reached. It's really good. I'm very happy. Daily like getting irritated, like everyday sounds tuck 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 and all. So here we go, you can see change pockets I paid 2317, drum rubber 306, and bearing 164, and fitting 350 rupees, total 3137.